name is Katie. I'm an art therapist and professional clinical counselor at Able Artswork. Today we're going to explore some basic American Sign Language that we can use with our teachers at program or while we're virtually learning online. Remember, if at any point I go too fast or you want to learn that sign again, you can always pause and rewind this video at your leisure. When doing sign language, we always want to do our signs in front of our bodies. However, for this video purpose, I'm going to do them a little bit higher so that you can see what I'm doing. But remember, when you're signing, you want to do it in a comfortable position right in front of your chest. Now let's get started. So to start off for our sign language, we're going to learn a very basic sign for hello. So you're going to take your hand flat, fingers together, put it to the side of your forehead like you're saluting, and then you're going to move your hand outward. That's how you sign hi. Again, hi. To say goodbye, it's similar. We're going to take our open hand and we're going to curl our fingers up and down. That's bye. Next, of course, we want to work on how we thank someone for being kind to us. So we're going to take our open hand, we're going to put it by our face, and we're going to move our hand forward and down. Thank you. Next, we're going to learn how to say please. Take an open hand, put it across your chest, and we're going to move our hand in a circular motion. So this is please. Good job. Now, if you're in class and you want to take a break from lesson, we're going to learn how to sign break. We're going to take both hands, make a fist, put them together, and then you're going to move them apart and down. So this is break. Break. Now, if you want to tell your teachers what activity you'd like to participate in, whether it's art or music, we're going to explore some art signs first. So to tell your teacher that you want to work on a drawing, you're going to use both hands. You're going to take your hand, put it flat and on the side. You're not going to take your pinky, and we're going to pretend like we're drawing on some paper. So you're going to take your pinky and you're going to squiggle it down, just like that. So this is I want to draw. Painting is very similar. We're going to use that same hand. We're going to use our other hand flat, and now we're going to use our fingers in upward and down motion. Paint. Good job. So again, draw is with your pinky, and you're going to draw. Good job. And then painting is with the flat hand, up and down. Excellent. Now we're going to learn how to sign music. This one is more in front of your body, so I'm going to back up a little bit. We're going to take our one hand, put it in front of us. Our other hand, we're going to have flat, and we're going to act like we're kind of conducting. This is also the same sign for sing or song. So music, sing, and song. And we're going to go back and forth on our arm. Almost like you're conducting music. Good. Now, if you want to tell your teacher that you want to dance, we're going to use both hands. One hand's flat, another hand we're going to make like a peace sign, but we're going to turn it upside down, and we're going to move them back and forth. This is dancing. Good job. Now, if you're having troubles in class and you need some assistance, a good sign to know is how to ask for help. So we're going to use both hands for this. One's going to be a thumbs up with your fist. The other hand's going to be flat. We're going to put our fist with our thumbs up on top of that hand, and then we're going to move it upward. So you can say help, help. And those are some basic signs I hope you enjoy. Again, you can rewind this video and keep learning.